Everyone, so just a quick update. We are here at the airport. We are still here at Cebu Airport, at Mactan Cebu International Airport, and we are stuck here because flights have been cancelled back to Manila. Not just for AirAsia, but also for Cebu Pacific and maybe Philippine Airlines as well. Taal Volcano has just had a phreatic eruption.
Look, there's more, keeps coming.
It's lava! Whoa! Oh my god! Holy crap!
Taal Volcano has just had a phreatic eruption and spewing clouds of ash all over the region, around Manila, around Batangas, and the Taal area. So yeah, we're gonna have it's really crazy around here in the airport. So take a look. So, yep. Miss, we're gonna book for tomorrow na lang. May advisory ba kung tomorrow is may flight tomorrow? And kung sakali ma-cancel ba tomorrow, we can rebook again. Okay, no charge. Okay. Ayun, just wanted to check. So we got a booking we got a hotel booking for tonight, but we'll try again tomorrow. We'll see if we can get a flight for tomorrow. We're getting a flight for tomorrow, but if it gets cancelled again, then I guess we're gonna have to stay another night. So we'll catch you then. See ya.
As the old saying goes, when life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. So since our flight last Sunday night was cancelled, we decided we went to Kawasan Falls yesterday. Right now it's Tuesday and we're still here. We stayed 2 nights here at Felix Residences and it's Tuesday, so all indications are good that we are going to be able to fly back to Manila today. We have a noon flight, afternoon flight. Yeah, hope everyone is okay back in Manila. N95 masks are sold out, not just there but also here, and as far as I've heard, they're also sold out in Davao. So N95 masks are those masks that can block out 95% of the particles, and the ordinary masks won't do much good for the ash fall right now in Manila. But yeah, so if you don't have that, you can just use a damp cloth. So that's probably what we're just gonna do since we aren't able to procure any masks here in Cebu. Anyway, we're just having some breakfast and we'll be heading to the airport soon. So we're checking out of our hotel here at Felix Residences, our hotel for the past 2 nights. And we are going to be heading to the airport. Operations at Niwel have resumed today, so our flight back at 12:45 has been delayed to 3:15, which actually works out quite well. So I will see you in a bit. So I'm here right now at Mactan Cebu International Airport. We've been here since 1 p.m. It definitely has had a lot of improvements ever since a few years ago when I was last here on my last Cebu trip. But yeah, it really looks a lot better. Looks better than Naiya. So really nice airport. You should come check it out. And we had a nice lunch at Shakey's when we got here at 1. And it's already 5:20. Our flight keeps getting delayed. Our original flight was 12:45, became 3:15, became 5 o'clock, and now it's 5:38. And yeah, so we're just waiting. At least it's not cancelled, not just yet. And we're just waiting for our flight. Everything is delayed right now, and the first flight to Manila is now boarding. That's why the people are there, but yeah. It's just gonna be a couple more minutes before we board our flight. So we're finally boarding. Our flight is finally boarding here at gate number 9 here in Mactan Cebu International Airport. And it's been a very pleasant wedding weekend. Since Thursday we've been staying at really nice hotels. We stayed at Luxent since Wednesday to Friday. Then we stayed at Allure Hotel in Mandaue when we got to Cebu, and in Mangodlong Paradise Resort when we went to Camotes. And then when the 2 nights that we were stranded here in Cebu, we stayed at Felix Residences. And they were all booked through Agoda. So if you're looking for either a cheap place or a really nice posh place, you can find all of that in Agoda, and that's where we booked everything. And I'll put a link to all of those places that we stayed in this weekend. So anyway, I think we are about to board. So we're about to stand up and join that line over there. We will see you on board. So we're finally on board our flight after a 45.5 hours delay. It's time to finally say thank you, Cebu. It's been a pleasure. We'll see you in Manila.